Welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you to a forest made of crystal. Basically, we are having rain, but with the negative temperature around -5, -6, everything is freezing. So, as you can see, one branch is on the ground, or most on the ground because of the weight and the rain. It so I'm walking on snow so that I do not slip. Looks like I'm walking in a crystal forest. Okay, not sure why we have blue color over here. If somebody knows about it, please let me know that why do we have this blue. Wow. Okay, I hope you can see the branches which are on the ground. You can see more branches. So this is not good for forest. Lots of trees will get fall. Although this trail is very known to me, but it looks so different today. Here you can see the water drops got frozen, and then we have lots of water in the stream today. We have lots of water over here in the stream today, so I'm not going to walk on that side of the trail. Instead, I will take this route. Over here, yeah, I hope you can see. Although these are small branches which are falling because of the weight, but I think it's dangerous. So I need to abandon my hike. Oh my god. Okay, so this branch just fall in front of me, so I think it's getting dangerous. I need to abandon my hike. Okay, so now I'm going back because it's not safe over here. Okay, this is beautiful, but again, so dangerous as well. Okay, this is looking so beautiful over here. The sound of the water is so peaceful, so relaxing.